Here is just a quick overview of top ChatGPT apps available right now. So I did like tutorials about some of top of them, maybe like 10 apps or 10 apps. And I'll just try to share my thoughts. So like the reason why people are searching for these apps is OpenAI is not providing native iOS or Android app. It's only available in the browser. And for people using on mobile, it's not honestly the best experience. You need to open Google Chrome or Safari, and yeah, if you adjust it to using a mobile app, it's just better experience often. So people just looking for an app if they're using it on mobile. But OpenAI didn't release it yet. Therefore, there are like 30 apps competing one with each other. I guess every app is just using the same OpenAI API. So let's just dive through it. So the top app right now, the most popular is Genie app. Again, it's just based on ChatGPT API, and like the main point between these apps, the main difference is just different design, different user experience, some additional features, which app feels better for you, and all of that. So in this app, you can also have access to some AI images generations, and in a free version, you can only post questions and get answers. So you can just write simple questions, and the question is just one statement, and then you can't ask follow-up questions, because if you need to do that, you need to upgrade. And even now I ask like 3 questions, so and then I exceeded my free chat limit, and then I need to upgrade. So then it's like 3 days free trial, $6.99 per week, $69.99 per year, cancel anytime. So yeah, this weekly payment doesn't make a lot of sense because keep in mind that ChatGPT Plus is $20 per month. So anything which goes more than $20 per month, you see that there is this you need to upgrade, and then when you upgrade, you can get access to dialogue. So here you can see other price options: $69.99 per year, Advanced, Pro, or Lite. So this is this app. You can always try a free trial, and then you can cancel if you don't like the app. Here you can also enable voice. You can change languages. There is help. And why people like this app, I think, is just because it's well made. To be honest, it's just was made by the cool app maker. It's and the UI user experience feels really nice. The nice designs. There are no annoying ads and all of that. So yeah, it's powered by App Nation developers. So definitely give a try to this app. So that's Genie AI bot. Then other apps, you can just find them if you want. If you don't like this one, if you go to top charts and then you go to productivity section, all these AI chatbot apps are here usually. So then there is another one, AI chatbot Open Chat, which you can also try it out. Here is, again, it's all the same, just the same chats, the same OpenAI API. But here, for example, you have lifetime subscription for $80, which you can try, or then you have monthly $9.99 per month, which is cheaper than Open Chat GPT.
One of my clients called me.
Here you have these ads. So then, you can, you see prompts, you have all these different AI assistants. Then you can just tap chat, start chat. There are 5 free messages. And then you can just write something like that here. And then you see you have 4 free messages left. But yeah, it's kind of similar. So here you just have a different design and you have ads. So honestly, like the reply is the same. You can easily copy it, can like it or don't like it. But yeah, I like the previous design better. It just looks a bit more professional, while these colors are not that great, and all these ads are a bit more annoying. And also, but yeah, the pricing seems to be nice here, and you can get lifetime for $80. So what else is there? There is Chat AI, Ask Anything. Well, I like this design also quite nicely. There is dark theme here. There is some AI marketplace, how to guide. There are so many buttons here. There are models GPT-3, DaVinci 003. So here I also ask them to write a poem about a river, so you can see some of the conversations. It's kind of has similar sidebar to ChatGPT, which is nice. And I can clear messages. I can reset AI memory. I can, yeah. So here I can go unlimited for $69.99 per year. That's a recurring payment. That's not one time. And then if a free version, you only have like 5 answers per day, 400 per answer, 400 words per answer, 20 words per prompt. So you have that. Then there is AI chat, ask anything. So here again, you can write a poem about a cat. You can just see it here. Yeah, I also like this design. It's very clean, kind of similar to what you have in native iOS apps. Then if you want AI Plus, you can discover it for $19.99 per month. Enjoy unlimited conversations, higher word limits, and unlock the full potential of one of the most capable artificial intelligence models. So yeah, as you can see here, these apps usually don't go about $20 per month because that's the price of ChatGPT Plus, the official app. And yeah, usually people will just go with that. So yeah, you have this app, also kind of like the design. Then actually there is Bing app, where updated Bing app has a chat inside of it. So, and then you can just see that the chat is available here. And then you can just use here as well. And of course, Bing is using the latest ChatGPT model, and I think it's more advanced than all of these apps. But also, it's a search engine, and here, of course, you're using it for free. So if you're looking actually for ChatGPT app, maybe just Bing Chat is a good option. So something like that. Yeah, so there you have it. There is another trending app, Vaga AI chat app. And then so here I can also write a poem, anything. It also looks nice in this dark mode. And then yeah, it's kind of so you have limit of 500 characters per question. Whatever. And then you can just write the messages. And then it's kind of reads through it. I don't see a lot of limitation and paid options for this app. So it's kind of nice looking. I'm not sure why it's not higher in the charts. Maybe there are some actually price limitations and all of that. Quite a long answer, as you can see, it's not being cut. and then you can chat in dialogue and you don't need to upgrade to do that. Yeah, so I think it's actually a really nice free app. So definitely I would recommend this one. So Vaga AI chat app, chat on AI chatbot assistant. Here how it looks like. Ask question or tasks. Here you can also create some additional tasks. So simply have a chat in social media posts. So some additional chats you can have. Then you can ask question, and then that's like a chat GPT. Yeah, so that's basically the idea. Pocket AI chatbot, and then here again you can just chat. Instantly there is a payment, which is, yeah, and you can see a lot of ads. It's a bit annoying, and there is this pop-up which I just can't close, or need to wait like 30 seconds to close it. Yeah, it's a bit annoying. I don't know, I wouldn't use this app a lot, to be honest. Then what else we have here? So these are kind of like the most popular chatbot apps right now. Then there is this interesting app from Quora. So it's called Poe, and it has like 4 different bots. And so yeah, I would definitely give a try to this app. Where I was reading this. So here I just see as I was just gonna check. So seems it has like, yeah, so it has 4 different bots. The bots are powered by third-party LLMs, and so 3 of these bots, say ChatGPT and Dragonfly, are powered by OpenAI. ChatGPT and ChatGPT use GPT 3.5 turbo model, and Dragonfly uses Text DaVinci 003. And Claude, another bot, is powered by Anthropic, and that's another company that's not OpenAI. So there are like 3 different models, 2 different companies, 4 different bots, which you can try out in this app. And then it's kind of structured in a way for Quora. So Quora is a big Q&A website, and it's the same. You can write poems, you can chat, but then you can also see what other people are sharing. And then someone wants to learn Git. So you can use that. So yeah, it's kind of similar how Quora also organizes, all these questions and answers. And here you can also see that from other users. You can invite people here. So it's kind of attempts to be a bit of a social media as well. You have your profile. People can follow you. You can add a post. So this is your post. Yeah, I actually don't know exactly how it works, but it has additional like social media element. This app I think is in the works. You can add another bot. Seems there will be more other bots. So this app, yeah, is kind of like a bot chatting AI app, social media. There are other apps which got some popularity, like Chai app or anything, where people were just chatting with AI bots. So yeah, definitely interesting app to check it out. And then yeah, if you don't like, you delete an account. You needed an account here. In other apps, you didn't need that. So yeah, that's, I would say, what you can explore here. Then there is this app, which is, I think, just wants to be similar to Genie app in the name, and then it's just got higher. Then there is Chaster app. So all of those are just basically kind of copies with just different interface and different design, but it's the same functionality. So yeah, I think also this app is kind of a bit in the works yet. So yeah, in a nutshell, definitely give a try to Poe app. from Quora. Definitely try out Genie AI chatbot, which else I like. Vega, I think it provides you a lot of functionality for free. And then of course Bing, it's free app, is the latest model, but it's also a search engine. So these are kind of the apps which you can try out if you're looking for ChatGPT apps. And of course, there are like hundreds and thousands of newly discovered AI apps built on top of ChatGPT API, and there are more and more coming. So yeah, that's just what you can expect here. Hope this was helpful. Put a like so more people can discover these ChatGPT apps. Subscribe to my YouTube, join, become a member, and see you in the next videos.